Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. We are in downtown Cape Paphos. We're on the Cape Paphos Promenade. We're going to take you for a little walk along the Paphos Promenade and into the Cape Paphos Harbour, and we'd like you to come with us. Before we go on our travels, I'm going to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the entire world. And her name is Ochin Grasivia Lobo.
Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again and again.
And again. Now stick with us. We have been accosted off camera by some absolute superstars, J and T Mac, and their two beautiful children. Well, they're not children anymore. A young man and a young lady, Miss Sophie and JJ. Hopefully you're going to go and get something to eat now. They've had a bit of a traumatic start to their holiday. They arrived at the hotel. We're not going to say the hotel name. And unfortunately the rooms were all mucked up. Anyway, it's all been calmed down now. They're starting their holiday today. They've gone off to get something to eat, and JJ's going to go and have a great game of pool. I'm going to go and get fat because guess what? He's brought me a stick of rock. In fact, he hasn't brought me one stick of rock. He's brought me lots of sticks of rocks, and he started off the Marika and Me t-shirts. Have a look at that. So that says Marika and Me, the channel that is about those views, your views, and my views. There she is.
Nice.
How nice.
How nice of them. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So we sent them off on the travels. The exact words were, go on, you bugger off and go and get something to eat. Calm yourself down. Message us tomorrow. Hopefully we will persuade them to come on camera just to say hello, because they have been with us a long time. Now, all of our subscribers mean the world to us, don't get me wrong, but these guys have been with us a long time. All the way from sunny Warrington, and they're going to have a great holiday, because we're going to make sure they have a great holiday. Sylvia?
I would like to say to all of our people that whatever you think of us, you think world of us, and we do think too worlds about you.
So stick with us. Grasivia Labouf is, well, I don't know, losing her English, confusing English, I don't know. We've got a few Goombarus on the Cape Paphos Promenade, and one of those Goombarus does what's known as temporary tattoos or fake tattoos. There he is. His name is Mr. Paphos. He's a busy chap tonight, so we'll leave him at it. He'll tattoo that. He's waving at us. There he is. He's waving at us now. And that young man is as well. There we are. Right, Mr. Paphos?
Hello.
He's going to tattoo the life out of this young man. Are you getting tattooed as well? He's thinking. He's thinking about it. He's thinking of... Oh, he's got it planned. He's got it planned. Where are you from?
Mixture, Manchester.
Yes, no, I picked it up because I'm from Chester. So I realised you were from Manchester. Yeah. What's your name, young man?
Lorenzo, you? Lorenzo.
Lorenzo, what a great name. So Italian descent?
He's half Cypriot.
Half Cypriot, right. Sorry for confusing you. What's your name?
Maria.
Maria.
Nice
And there's
to
the
meet
young
you.
man. What's your name, young man? D'Angelo. Wow, great name. Tattoo the life out of him. Knock a couple of euros off. You never know. He might do. Thanks. We're very good. Do a very good job, Mr. Paphos.
Yes.
Otherwise, I'll come back and Marika will have a word with you.
Always good.
He's a good guy. Have a great holiday. Absolute stars. All the way from Manchester, half Cypriot, as you understood, but great fun indeed. Now, this compadre over here does exactly the same. Artificial tattoos. There he is. But he doesn't speak much English, unfortunately, but him and him are very good friends indeed. Now have a look at this little stall. They're very busy indeed tonight. We're going to stand back and show you. There they are. Your name on a grain of rice. You choose the style of the vial that you want it put in. That's these little things on here. You've got different coloured sand. There's little roses and bits and bobs that can go in if you have a look in that one. And you get to put it on a bracelet or a pendant. You've also got 2 seashells, so you get a very special gift indeed. And the star of the house, the absolute superstar, there he is, Mr. Konstantinos. You alright? Yes. Busy?
International style, you see.
Yes. International store. All the way from China. There's a man with a great smile. Look at that, he's smiling away.
The name is a little difficult because the name of this.
Yes, I understand. Yes.
It's new. It's how Li Chongqing, Aung Wu Zhong Zhang.
That's
27 letters on the grain of rice.
if you understood that. That's a bit of a mouthful, and he's got to get it on a grain of rice. But hey, are you going to put chow mein with it as well?
You don't believe me. Before they write 27 letters, I say this is my name.
So 27 letters he's going to put on a grain of rice. Wow, absolutely spectacular. I want to see it when it's done. We'll come back. Absolute star. And he's going to serve a bit of chow mein with that, and maybe a bit of crispy duck as well. We'll see the Alibu.
Yeah, it's nice, by the way, when the people come in, and it was a Chinese couple. I did hear them ordering, and Katrina was writing. But the problem is that in their language, the letters is different. In English is different, and she wrote 3 or 4 times, and it was all wrong for them because how they pronounce and how Katrina was writing was different.
And if you understand, 27 letters. Hold on a minute. There's a man looking at us, and there's a man waving at us. There he is. Good evening, Mr. Chris.
Yeah.
How are you? You all right?
You have in your pocket today.
No, have. Take it.
I have sugar.
Ah, okay, right. We'll give it to somebody else. Yeah. There we are. Well, I'll just eat them. They were given as a gift by one of our subscribers. They flew all the way, and they brought it for me. Right, Mr. Chris, what does he do? Mediterranean sea sponges. He does. Small ones, medium ones, tiny ones, sexy ones. These ones that chop your head off. All sorts of gifts and paraphernalia. And as I can see, he's obviously gone and got another shark, cooked it, eaten it, filled his belly, because there's lots of shark teeth there. That is for sure. 15 euros a pop, 2 for 25 if you twist his arm, I'm sure. There we are, there we are. See, you can always negotiate with Mr. Chris. He's a star, an absolute star. He's a great, great guy. He's also got a son, and he's got a son whose name is Mr. Mike. And Mr. Mike has got a diving school, and it's called Into the Blue. So if you want to go diving, pop in and see him. Get on the internet, Facebook, Into the Blue CY. Telephone number 00357 if you're outside Cyprus, or on an international line 96218976. Paddy registered and fully qualified, obviously, and he's on TripAdvisor. Check him out. Thanks, Mr. Chris.
Thank you.
And we're going to see Mr. Mike one of these days, I promise you. Lovely. Thanks very much. Absolute star. Now, there they are again. They're coming now to have a portrait, so they're going to now talk to Mr. Hector. There he is, the greatest artist in downtown Kent, Paphos. And as you can see, he's got a queue forming, because he is a very, very good artist indeed. So we'll leave him at it. He is going to do a very, very good sketch or caricature. Hold on, we're being accosted. You all right? How are you? What's your name, sir?
The most beautiful lady in the world.
You can give her a kiss if you want. Where's your wife? Don't look.
I'm okay. Yes, I will.
What's your name?
Trevor.
Trevor.
I just watched your blog.
Lovely. Thanks
I'll
very much.
walk down there. I'll go to Coral Bay with you.
Lovely.
Yeah, brilliant.
Thanks very much. Is that your good lady wife?
Good lady
Does
wife.
she want to be on camera or not?
She doesn't mind.
She doesn't mind. Let's go and say hello. Hello. What's your name?
Pleased to meet you, Julian.
Julian. And is this?
Grandson.
I was to figure that. Or her toy boy, one of the two. What's your name?
Kyle.
Kyle, great. Absolute star. Yeah, I understood that. Or toy boy. He's a great, great guy. He got the joke. There we are. Have you had a good holiday so far?
Yes.
Yeah? Where are you from?
We're from Norfolk in England, east coast of Norfolk.
Andrea, Martin, who've just gone home. They're your neighbours.
Right.
Yeah? So you were cooking last week because it was hot.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes.
And the week before that,
And
wasn't
the
it, as well?
week before that, we
Yeah.
had a very, very hot summer.
Yeah, we have. Yeah. Mr. Kyle, are you having a good holiday?
It's been superb.
Yes.
Sadly finishing.
Oh, you're going home soon?
We are tomorrow. Yeah.
So, but you've had a good holiday?
It's been superb.
Yeah, great. Lovely to have met you. And you? And you, superstar. Thanks very much. Can I have your hair when you finish with it? Because I haven't got any. Lovely. Thanks very much. He's an absolute star. Lovely, lovely. We love to be accosted. We love to meet everybody. We're never going to bite you, that's for sure. The guy, I can see him sort of quivering in the background, and then he plucked up the courage, because we don't mind you coming up to us. In fact, we want you to come up to us. Please, please, please. We want to make it as much fun for us and for you and for everyone else. All we want to do is have a party. Receive
How nice.
Yes.
On such moments, I really melt as an ice cream. And I want more.
Yes, we now want more. More, more, more. In fact, when we storm the promenade, we are now looking to see who wants to either come and shake our hands or stab us. You never know. Because obviously, some people perhaps don't like us. We don't mean any harm to anybody. But, you know, you never know. So, stick with us. We are going to slowly work our way past the wood kiosk. Very, very busy indeed there. That's that place. Sells all sorts of things, from cigarettes, cold drinks, hot drinks, chocolate bars, you name it, it's got it. Now, There's something playing in the background. Hopefully you can't hear it, because I can just about hear it over there. So stick with us. We may have to do a bit of, well, Usain Bolt. Yep, we're going to have to do a bit of Usain Bolt. Let's go. Stick with us. Come on, we'll see you in the booth. There we are. It's either going to kill us or we're going to get very fit. Come on, Gracivi at the booth. Run, 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 run. Stick with us. Well, there you go. The video was getting a bit too long, so we thought we'd speed it up. Right, we are now in the downtown Kato Paphos harbour area. Number one Goombarus, one of the greatest stars on the whole harbour area. There he is, Mr. Yanis, hairiest man, downtown Kato Paphos. Whew.
Leave him. Mr. Yanis is obviously very, very busy at the moment,
Yeah.
so should
He's a busy chap, and what he does is promotes various boat cruises and the Ibis Jeep Safari. Great, great guy, very, very honest. I'm dying. Stay with us. We are going to enter the Kato Paphos harbour area. Just over here, you've got the super, super jumbo glass bottom boats. Two different boat trips, same boat. There we are. 2.5 hours of super jumbo boating. What are you going to do? Well, you're going to eat lunch, you're going to see a shipwreck, you're going to see turtles, and you're going to do a lot of swimming down a big slide. 25 euros a pop, 10 euros if you're Italy. If you're less than 2, I know you don't know you're less than 2, but it's free. And snorkeling. Yes. Ah, so they're going to do a jumping competition and snorkeling competition. If you win, that man is going to give you a free villa.
Guys, we guarantee you 1,000% beautiful, beautiful time. Thank you.
That's Mr. Rikos, the boss. And he's the man that's going to go on the boat with you. Captain Hassan's going to sail it. His Oppo Hassan's going to feed you. And he is going to entertain you. Absolute star. Thanks, Mr. Rikos. He's a lovely, lovely guy. So, get yourself down the harbour, book on that boat. The big boy goes out at around about 11 a.m. 2.5 hours, 25 euros, and you get to eat. That's not a lot of money. Now, the cruise ship mafia, well, here they are. Okay, this is Paphos Sea Cruises, and they are the cruise ship mafia. They govern and command more ships in this harbour than anybody else. And there is sweet Roxanne, the girl in charge tonight. How are you, Roxanne? You all right? Good?
Yeah.
Looking sexy as always.
Oh, thank you
Oh,
very
there
much.
we are. Where's Major Tom? Is he around? He's around somewhere. Now, that's one of their big boats. That's called the Ocean Vision. If you want to go on that boat, 4 hours. It goes out about 5 times a week on a Tuesday night and a Friday night and a Saturday night. You get a fireworks show. So boom, it's wonderful. So 75 euros a pop, 4 hours of fun and games, all you can eat, all you can drink, and you get back into the Kato Paphos harbour at around about 11:15. And then you can come into the harbour area over there, or get down the promenade and continue to party the night away. Thanks, Roxanne. Absolute star. Lovely, lovely girl, and she'll make sure that you have a great, great trip on that boat. Now, we're into the restaurant area. The first restaurant on the block is the King's, which is that one. There we are. There's the man himself, that's the boss. And we've been to see his wife today. There he is. You all right? How you doing? Good? Busy? And that's the man himself. He's counted his money. Right, Mr. Harris. We've been to see your wife today.
Yeah, you should tell me.
Tomorrow we're going to go. She's invited us for breakfast.
Wow.
And then we're going to storm the hotel and make a silly little video. Absolute star. Lovely. They're pretty busy. How are you? You all right? Good.
fine,
Yes,
thanks.
yes.
Yes.
Good. They're all superstars. This is one of the greatest restaurants in the harbour area. Rear of house, front of house, and yet another superstar. There he is. Yes, yes. Yeah. He's always got a smile on his face. Always, always. Hi, you all right? So that's the King's Restaurant. If you're feeling peckish, breakfast time, lunchtime, tea time, get yourself in there, or even night time. They're open in this time of year, so in the summer area, around about 12 o'clock at night they don't close. So last order's around about 11. If you want to book a boat, that's where you'd go. And in fact, there is Major Tom walking along over there with the red shoes with his arms coming out. That's the man in charge of all of the Paphos Sea Cruises, and they got a lot of boats going on, that's for sure. That's the Pelican Restaurant, Recife Alibu.
and the balloon mafia.
And the Balloon Mafia. There we are. That's the head of the Balloon Mafia. In fact, they're all the head of the Balloon Mafia. Stick with us. There it is. Pelican Restaurant. Very, very busy indeed. Rear of house, front of house. Always busy, especially this time of year, that's for sure. Our favourite restaurant, where we come every night, the Jalama restaurant. So ice cream parlour to the back. There we are, look at that. And that's the man himself. There he is. Mr. Marios is in charge tonight. Miss Layla, you got Mr. P, you got Mr. M. And just over there, there's Mr. M. So stick with us. We're going to continue and we're going to come back and have a drink in there. Now, there's a lot of shouting, a lot of screaming. Let's get back from that screaming. He doesn't like his balloon, I think. He doesn't like his balloon. The next restaurant on the block, Sail at the Castle, kitchen and bar, sports area to the back. That's Six-Pack Andy over there. Very busy tonight. And that's the front of house. Have a look at that. Very, very busy indeed. Fancy something to eat? That's where you come. Now, there's the boss himself. There he is. He thought I hadn't seen him, but I had. Where are we? We are at the Stevie's Bar. So, it's the last restaurant bar on the block. Or if you're coming back, there's a Gamma Jubba. There she is. And if you are coming back from the seaside or the harbour, the boats area, if you understand, it's the first, obviously. And it's very, very busy indeed. Have a look at that. Now, we're into the Booth Harbour. There it is. Now, my boat has come back. It's just parked over there. A very nice little girl's father has brought it back and told me, Mr. Paul, you can tell the whole world it's your boat all year until next May, and he's going to come and borrow it again. Stevie, out of the booth.
I would like to tell you that all our walks today, and not only today, we always enjoy. You should come and see us and let us walk together. I believe that when you walk, you lose these calories, the appetite is opening for eating and drinking, and you feel much more better. Except that when the sun is shining, you can make a sunbathing and swimming together with us or without, it doesn't matter. But we wish you all the best holidays, swimmings, eatings and drinkings in the world.
So there you go. So we'll come and swim with you, we'll eat with you, we'll drink with you, and we'll sleep under your bed. We're like two pet Labradors.
Well, and we can sleep under your bed, if you don't mind. Now, I would like to tell you many, many times, many thanks for watching, for the time and support that you're giving to us. Please don't forget to come and see another of our lovely, silly, whatever you say, but madnesses. We're loving you to bits. And
thanks for watching. Like we see, hit like, click subscribe. Please come back for a little bit more of our madness. That's the harbour area. And there's a superstar that we missed. There he is in the white hat. Let's go and say hello to him before we end. The most famous man on YouTube, Mr. Henry. Ooh, la 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 la.
Little tired.
Little tired. It's too hot.
And I was off yesterday. And I came back to all this, it's like there was no off.
Yeah, that's right. Today has been very, very humid indeed, and it's given everyone a battering. I am, well, sweating like a pig, should we say. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.